Hola amigos, nos encontramos con Tom Lord-Alge aquí en el NAMM show. Hi Tom, how are you?
I'm doing good, doing good. Happy to be here.
So tell us, what are the best or the plugins that you use of Waves that are the best suited for you for working and mixing artists?
Well, the first thing about the plugins is you want to use plugins that you're comfortable with. So whatever plugins you feel that you can achieve the sound that you're in your head, that you can do it in the quickest and most efficient manner, those were what I would recommend. But on the Waves side, to be honest, it doesn't have to be Waves. My first plugin that I open every day of every mix is the SSL E channel. It's just a plugin that I've used for years because I use an SSL console. So, and I've used it my entire career. So I'm very good at manipulating it and getting the sound that I'm looking for. So again, and then I might open up the CLA Mix-Up plugin, which again is the same thing. It's another SSL emulation plugin. But it's really more about, I always tell when I speak at mixing seminars, I always say, it's not the gear, it's your ear. It's how you hear it. So again, I would always tell the people who are watching out there, use plugins that you feel you're able to manipulate in a quick manner so that you stay creative. Because remember, it's not the gear, it's your ear.
Okay. Thank you, Tom, for your time, and I really appreciate you have a couple of minutes for us. And I hope we can watch you. You're going to be in Mix with the Masters,
yes,
where we can find you later.
I'll be all over the place. Yeah, either here, SSL, or Mix with the Masters, or IK Multimedia, which I'll be doing later today.
Okay.
So.
Bueno amigos, pues ahí tuvieron Tom Lord-Alge y para Wave Room. Nos vemos muy pronto y estamos cubriendo más entrevistas con ustedes. Gracias.